Morning all my lovely children, I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the second part of the story, that is the old green door. So children, in the previous part I explained you how Tom, Jack and Tara went towards the old green door. They passed Mrs. Joyner's room and at the end of the corridor, what was there? The old green door. They passed the staff room and all the labs. And then they reached the old green door. Then there they saw frightening light and then they heard a scratching sound that was moving around behind that old green door. So children, in today's part we will see what happened next. So now let's come to the story. Jack narrated this story. Jack said, they heard different type of sounds. What sound did they hear? The first sound they heard was the sound of terrible teeth. Whosoever was inside started to gnash. What is the meaning of gnash? To grind one teeth together. And gnaw. What is the meaning of gnaw? To chew on something. Means someone was trying to grind and chew the dough. Then they heard a chilling scream, frightening shout. They heard frightening shout that was followed by a growling roar. Then growling roar, a low sound by an animal. Then what did they hear? They heard something started to pound against the door. Something hitting hard against the door. Means someone was trying to break and open the door. Then Uncle Rian said, only listening to this story I am getting so much scared. What about you all? Weren't you scared? He asked. Then Tom said, of course we were not. He started with a joke. So, and then he explained what happened. Tom said, off ran Tara. I followed her. So who was the first to run? Tara. I followed her and Jack and Tom was the next. Who was next? Tom was the next. They were so frightened they ran such a speed with which they had never run before. They were so frightened that they ran such a speed. Then Tom saw something strange. And what was it? He saw Jack ran so fast that he left Tom and Tara back. He crossed both of them and he left all his friends back. He was so frightened and he ran as fast as he could away from that old green door. As Jack got out, he said the whistle went. Means the playtime period was over. Then what happened? At the same time, Jack promised, because he was so frightened, he promised that he would never go near that old green door. Then Tara narrated this story. Tara said, then Mr. Lee called these 3 kids to help him in the store. They were ready to go, but at the same time, Tara suddenly remembered the old green door, that was the storeroom. Then they became so afraid. They could not understand what to do. And then they saw some change in Mr. Lee. And what change was that? Mr. Lee, his eyes turned red. His eyes started turning red and as if they were bleeding. And his hands bent into a claw. So what is claw? Body part of an animal. Mr. Lee was turning into an animal or monster. So after seeing this, they became so afraid and they ran as fast as their leg could move, and they never wanted to know what is behind that old green door. They never wanted to know what lies behind that old green door. So children, either it was an imagination as they were so afraid, or maybe Mr. Lee was not a human being. He was some kind of other creature or something. So at the end, the writer George Ansel makes the readers think that who was Mr. Lee. So children, now it's up to you. Use your imagination and try to find out the answer of this question. Who was Mr. Lee? So children, I hope you all have understood the story and enjoyed listening it. Thank you.